This delicious, creamy, fresh risotto will make any face smile. Is perfect to enjoy with family, with friends, for any meal. Come with me. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel Melmi Food and Lifestyle. Melmi, it's me. Come join me today and let's cook together this fantastic lemon butter risotto. Let's start with this amazing risotto. So classical risotto always needs shallot onions as they are milder and combine with the flavors always perfectly. Chop the onions as small as you can and first cutting them in half and then cutting them like this is the best way to do it. Set the finely chopped shallots aside and start with the second important ingredient of flavorful risotto. That's the fresh garlic. I personally love garlic, so I would add at least 5 to 4 cloves to every meal I cook. For risotto, it's the same deal as with shallots. Peel them and then chop them as small as you can. Any kind of fresh herb is an amazing addition to flavorful risotto. And for this lemon risotto recipe, I have chosen fresh thyme that will perfectly combine with these flavors. Fresh is always better than dried one. Next addition to the flavor is zucchini. Cut it into slices like this and then into cubes for better flavor release and faster cooking time. I prefer to use both green and yellow zucchini as they add nice color and also balance flavors. Zucchini is a low-calorie and nutrient-rich vegetable, full of antioxidants and amazing flavors. Also, this is match made in heaven, how well this zucchini combines with lemon and makes this tasteful risotto. I am using the peel of 2 big lemons. Use a grater for only the outside peel. Do not grate the white part, as that will be too bitter when heated. Next up is Parmesan cheese. Risotto is not right without it. Also with a fine grater, grate the cheese like this. For risotto preparation, first heat up the pan, deeper pan like this, with some olive oil and pre-fry the zucchini until they have little color and have become softer. Remove them from the pan and put aside. Heat up the olive oil and start frying garlic and onion on a medium heat, adding the thyme and let it cook and release all those amazing aromas. Cook it until onions are softer and a little bit transparent. This would take approximately 5 to 7 minutes. Then it's time to add saffron for the lovely yellow color. Heat it up to release all the oils and flavors. Next step is adding risotto rice to the mixture. Mix the rice on the pan so it has heated up and mixed up with all the onion garlic mixture. Continue this on a medium heat for a few minutes. Next up is the white wine. You can already see the saffron giving lovely yellow color. Heat the mixture until the alcohol has vaporized from the wine. Next up is the stock. You can either use veggie or chicken stock. I am using veggie stock. First add a little bit to cover the rice and let the rice cook in the heat and absorb the stock in little by little. Mix the rice in between and wait for the absorption, adding more stock little at a little. As the rice is cooking, it will absorb the stock into it. Do not add all the stock in all at the same time, as it cools down the mixture and it may not need so much stock. Cooking risotto is a process of seeing how rice is getting cooked slowly in this flavorful liquid. All the process together is around 20 to 25 minutes. Finally, when the rice is almost ready, it is time to add the pre-cooked zucchini. Mix it and let it cook a little bit for a few minutes. Add the lemon peel and lemon juice and cook and let the taste absorb. Finally, add the butter and let the butter cook and move gently, and look how it becomes this creamy, buttery risotto. Final step is to add the Parmesan cheese and mix for creaminess and umami flavor. Mix it and look at that deliciousness. Mwah! For extra flavor, I will caramelize some lemon slices. It will add this amazing sweet, bitter and acid flavor to risotto. On a pan, I add some sugar and let it melt a little bit. Add lemon slices on the sugar and let it caramelize for a few minutes. Add some more sugar and caramelize it on other side also. Looking already so nice, and amazing flavor it will add. Finally, for the plating, in the center of the plate, place the creamy lemon risotto. Serve it straight after cooking it so it will not overcook on the pan. Look at that golden color and creaminess. Finally, decorate it with some caramelized lemons, some fresh thyme. Also, some parmesan and rucola can be added. And it's ready. Look at that deliciousness. Amazing! This risotto will for sure be your next favorite recipe. If you like my content, then please subscribe, ring the bell, put the like, and leave a comment. Thank you. Bye.